Okay, how about you come with me and then we'll unload the boat off the truck. Pretty neat idea. I'll show you. Come on. So right now I'm just taking the straps down. I want to make sure that the boat is nice and secure. I don't want to lose it on the highway.
I'm gonna have to get back quite a ways.
Because in my experience, it actually just happened this year. I was driving with my motorcycle behind a pickup truck who had a canoe that was sticking up, and the canoe broke in half. The front just flew right off. I have to undo this hitch here. The main reason I undo this is I'm going to put this one in its place. I want to make sure that the long part fits over top. So when the boat comes down, it will hit here instead of hitting the truck.
All right.
So on this one here, I have tension bars. One fits there. Take all the kinks out of it, and it just snaps on there. So this one fits here, and snaps on there. At each corner, I put a little rubber, so it would not be on the roller and ruin my rollers. So I got all the rubber parts out, and it looks like everything is good. I'm just going to take the boat and roll it up. I have the winch here. I will actually roll it in, and I have a roller here, and I'm going to put the winch right on there.
Okay.
So this will support the boat, so we'll let it go down nicely. I have the part here. I have to start the truck, so it's not a...
Okay, I just want to see what you're doing here. So you've got a pulley up here.
Yeah, pulley up here so it ties up on the boat. So the boat is tight.
And then you've got it fastened.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a little bit of slack. Then I'm going to just lift it here.
Okay, hold on.
Oh,
Okay.
just with one hand until this is tight. And I'm just now the transom line are tight. And the boat will come down and will hit the board so it does not hit the truck. And down it goes.
So that is a very ingenious way of doing that, Reg. So how did you come up with this idea?
I found that on YouTube.
Did you really?
Yeah. And then what I did is, because I didn't know exactly where to put these, so I built all this with a frame, and then I put a rope at this end first. Then I noticed it would lift the whole boat up. So then I would go on this side here, and there's too much of the boat was lifting. So I went all the way to the front here, but it was way too much. So I decided to I put some clamps and with the rope on it, and this is where I found out it was the best. It's about 2/3 of the way up, and it works really well.
So to find that balancing point.
Yep,
Yeah.
it's about 2/3. Cooler.
Okay, hold
Just
on.
connect to the battery.
All right, there's the main controller. It's connected to the battery.
Yep. And then the wire, what I use is just a regular extension cord right here.
Like a 110 cord.
Yeah. And I cut it off, and I only use 2 of the 3 wires, and then I just run the whole extension cord all the way through the frame and the holes in the frame, and the frame out here in the box. Yes. I agree, I could have used a single one, but it was a triple that I had, so I just left the triple. So now this is 12 volt connected directly onto here. Sorry for it. And the control for that, I put it into a regular plug, and it was only a few feet long, because this is the connection from here that was connected to the control. So it was too short. So I put a real long extension so I can just carry it with me wherever. I built a rack here for the motor, so I would be able to mount it on the boat fairly easily. So I just make sure they would have lots of clearance. I put the handle down and I just bring it over, then I can just pick it up and put it on the boat, and we're ready to go. Let's go for a ride.